Welcome to this tutorial dedicated to creating a sub-position with pricing for consumable materials. The examples presented are fictional and are only intended to illustrate the features of HIP. To create a sub-position, go to the Settings menu at the bottom left of your screen. Then select Catalogs. In our example, we are using the Physioswiss tariff. The tariff positions are displayed. Search for position 7361. Click on the three dots to the right of the position. Two options appear. Select the option New Sub-Position. An entry form opens. The system automatically generates the internal code 7361.1. Fill in the desired information in the corresponding fields. Set the price, the KVG and non-KVG reimbursement, VAT, etc. The validity date is also important. The sub-position will only be billable from that date onwards. This allows you to plan any price adjustments in advance. Once all fields are completed, save this position. It is now available for billing. Let us now see how to integrate it into a billing session. In the corresponding catalog, in our example Physioswiss, select position 7361. All its sub-positions will appear. Once the position is added, the system validates and calculates the amounts. You can then submit the invoice. You can also use this sub-position in a meta-tariff to bill your services and materials even more efficiently. For more details, feel free to check our online help. The link is in the description. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in the next video.